Hi, guys. I just wanted to go over the travel guide that you are creating in class. So I am not in today. Charlotte has been sick the last couple days. So because of that, I haven't been in school. But what's important is looking at the travel guide. And I wanted to give you guys the example that I was going to show you today. And I have it on video so you can rewatch this video as many times as you need. You guys are going to start working on this today, and we're going to fix any mistakes tomorrow, as long as I'm coming in, which is Friday. If for some reason I am not in on Friday, then we'll be looking at this next week. So you do not have to stress about getting this done or getting this done right. So this is the travel guide example that I wanted to show you. If you notice about this travel guide, I have the words that are down here. They're size 11, but you can do Arial for this if you'd like. Size 12 is fine, but I would not go any bigger. The heading is bigger because it's for the travel guide. So the heading is the name of the country. I included a map so you can see I have a few pictures here. What's really important is I wanted you to notice the writing. So if we look at the writing here, this is just my About Ghana section. So I wrote that Ghana was known as the Gold Coast and was visited often by Portuguese traders. These traders mined gold and also set up a trade route for the slave trade connecting to Europe and the early Americas. Okay, so what I wanted you to see is with all the notes that you guys took in your packets, you want to put those notes into sentences. So when you decide to write about the currency, instead of saying it about Ghana, maybe it says currency. And then below it in sentences, you're describing what the currency is, or maybe some things that they might sell in that country, anything like that. At the bottom, remember how I said something about smaller bits of information, like smaller details? This is kind of what I was talking about. You could say what the capital is, how big the land area is, the population. If you want to know how to make this cool chart, with the little boxes, we can do that on Friday and I can show you how to do that. But for today, what you guys are going to do is you're going to be typing up all of that information and putting it into sentences. Where you're going to go to Google Classroom, and in your classroom, in one of the social studies classes, you're going to see this assignment right here. It says Travel Guide for African Country. If you click on that and you click on somebody's assignment, I'm just going to show you like what Aylin's would look like. When you click on the assignment and you start typing, I've set it up so you guys should get two columns. So do you see how this assignment has the two columns? You have one column here and one column here. I have set that up for it to type that way when you are typing. So you should be able to put in your title, you should be able to put in some pictures, you should be able to type, and you should see two columns. Once again, if that does not happen, don't stress. We can fix that on Friday. Today, I just want you guys to make sure you have your pictures. I want you guys to make sure that you're typing and putting all of that information into your guide. Okay? Now, if you are confused about any of this, rewatch this video so you can see my example again, which is right here. You can go over the instructions again, and hopefully I will see you guys on Friday. All right. Bye, guys.